So your church has decided to use Making the Bible Come Alive. How does it work? Where do you start? Well, first, choose a character in the deck of cards. Then, open the website, makingthebiblecomealive.com. As you read the lesson, ask God to guide you in the right direction. Then, divide your teaching time in segments of 10 minutes. Look at all the activities available. Choose one per segment. Remember to include probably a creative snack. How does it apply to the child's life? An activity to review the story and the goal. A worship song. The Bible story, of course, and engaging media. A clip to help them see the story in another view. There you go. You are ready for your teaching time to begin. Oh, remember to give a card to the child. It's also great for home settings as we raise a young generation to know God's Word. Remember, pray for the children who will be there and make the Bible come alive for them. Shalom.